Namaste and welcome to Progress Review of Standard Costing. Standard costing is a technique. It uses standards for costs and revenue, and its purpose is control through variance analysis. Standard costs are predetermined costs for delivering a product or rendering a service under normal conditions. Standard costs may be predetermined for materials, labor, and overhead, among others. They are based on technical assessments. Standard costing facilitates management by exception. It saves management's time by reporting only deviations from the predetermined standards. The deviation of actual as compared to standard is called variance. When actual cost is less than the standard cost, it is a saving and therefore it is a favorable variance. When actual cost is more than the standard cost, it is a loss, therefore it is unfavorable or adverse variance. It's a technique, uses standards for costs and revenues for the purpose of control through variance analysis. Standard costs are predetermined under normal circumstances and they pertain to delivery of a product or service. There may be predetermined standard costs for materials, labor, and overhead, among others. They are based on technical assessment. Standard costing facilitates management by exception as it involves reporting only deviations, and in the meanwhile it also saves management's time. Deviations of actual from standard is called variance. When there is a saving, it is a favorable variance. When there is a loss, there is an adverse variance or unfavorable variance. In cost accounting, purpose of variance analysis is threefold. One, to understand the variance. Second, to take remedial measures. And third, to improve performance in future. Sales value variance is difference between budgeted sales and actual sales. Sales price variance is difference between standard sales and actual sales. Material price variance is difference between the two prices multiplied by actual quantity. Material quantity variance is difference between two quantities multiplied by standard price. Material usage variance is a combination of mix variance and yield variance. Purpose of variance analysis: understand reasons for variance, take remedial measures, and improve future performance. Sales value variance is the difference between budgeted sales and actual sales. Sales price variance is calculated by comparing standard sales with actual sales. Focus on the price. Material price variance is actual price minus standard price multiplied by actual quantity. Material quantity variance is difference between two quantities multiplied by standard price. Material usage variance is the sum of mix variance and yield variance. Calendar variance is calculated for overheads, and it is calculated as standard rate per hour into standard hours minus actual hours worked, where standard working days differ from actual working days. The overhead variance is caused by difference between actual overhead and standard overhead applied. AB company budgets for fixed overhead at 24,000, production of 4,800 units, actual production is 4,200. If fixed overhead cost increased to rupees 22,000, what is the fixed overhead volume variance? It is actual units minus budgeted units, means differential units into budgeted overhead rate per unit. Differential units is 4,200 minus 4,800, 600 shortfall into budgeted overhead is 4,800 units charged 24,000, means it is 5 rupees per unit. 600 is the budgeted shortfall and rate is 5 per unit. Therefore the adverse variance is 3,000. Idle time variance is nothing but actual labor hours paid and actual labor hours worked at standard rate. Calendar variance is calculated when there is change in the actual working days versus the budgeted working days. It is calculated as standard rate per hour into standard hours minus actual hours worked. Overhead variance is caused by difference between actual overhead and standard overhead applied. When fixed overhead budget is 24,000, production is 4,800, actual production is 4,200, and if the fixed overhead incurred is rupees 22,000, the fixed overhead volume variance is 3,000 adverse because actual units 4,200, budgeted units 4,800, shortfall of 6,000. For 24,000 to be spread over production of 4,800 means it is 5 rupees per unit is the budgeted overhead rate, hence adverse variance of 3,000. Idle time variance in respect of the difference between hours paid and hours worked at standard rate. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.